Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be checking out the Monster Illuminescence Small Space LED Mood Light Kit. This brand is Monster, and I just picked this up at Walmart for $15. It's a mood light kit, and it comes with a LED strip and a light bulb, which are multicolored, and you can control them with a remote. $15 is a good deal for something like this. This does feature an instant holiday setting, so there's Christmas, Halloween, and 4th of July. Here's some of the main features. I have not ever had one of these before, and I haven't opened this one up yet, so we're gonna see what we have inside. Let's get started. Little manual with big old instructions on it. On the inside, right here is the LED light strip. So this light strip here is 6.5 feet long. You can dim these or make them light, and there's 60 LEDs on here, 6.5 feet long. Next you have this light bulb, Monster branding, and it'll tell you here it's a 7-watt light bulb. Under here is a little cord, which is for the light strip itself. Plugs in just like that. Last is the remote itself. Looks like you can adjust the color here. Must be like a touch recognizing. It's not like a button. And then here's some of your modes. I got these LEDs set up in my room here. Got the bulb right here on a little desk lamp. It's kind of hard to see. And I got the LED strip right here under my bed. And here's the remote. So I'm just going to play with this a little bit and show you guys what it looks like. This is pretty sweet. Just going around the spectrum of light here on the remote in a circle. This is awesome, guys. And then you have the preset ones, which can flash, and then you can adjust how fast they flash and slow. Another cool thing is with the brightness, you can lower the brightness like that, and then raise the brightness. These things are sweet. They're pretty bright too, like it's lighting up my entire room. And back to some of these presets. It's really dope, guys. If you have $15 and you have a Walmart near you, go and get this. These are sick. Monster Space LED Mood Kit, and they have different size kits. This is just one of the small ones, so this was $15. You can get just 2 light bulbs, you can get longer strips. Alright, there you guys have it. That's going to conclude it for this video. Just a quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There will be a link here in the top right corner to go to my channel and check out my other videos and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.